Want to explore the world in 3D on Google Maps? I'll show you exactly how to do it. Like and subscribe for more tips, and let's get started. When you first open Google Maps, you're probably in the normal 2D view. To switch to 3D, start by going to the Layers button in the bottom right corner. Hover over it and click More. Now, scroll down to Map Type and select Satellite. This gives you a real-world view, but we're not done yet. This is still 2D. To get 3D, simply click Globe View and go to the bottom right. That's where the 3D and toggle it. Boom, your map now has depth. Buildings, terrain, and even landmarks will start popping up in full 3D. You can explore it better by holding down Control and dragging your mouse to rotate and tilt the map in any direction. Give it a few seconds to load all the details and watch as the 3D view comes alive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.